यह तुम्हें शोभा नहीं देता। दिस डज नॉट बिहेव यू। दिस डज नॉट बिहेव यू। मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है। माई माइंड इज रीलिंग। माई माइंड इज रीलिंग। कृपया उसका पता लिख लीजिए। प्लीज राइट डाउन हिज एड्रेस। प्लीज राइट डाउन हिज एड्रेस। इसे अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? मेरा कमरा दूसरी मंजिल पर है। My room is on the second floor. My room is on the second floor. वह बाल बाल बच गया। He had a narrow escape. He had a narrow escape. उसे जोड़ का सिरदर्द है। He has a bad headache. He has a bad headache. फूल तोड़ना मना है। Plucking flowers is prohibited. Plucking flowers is prohibited. तुम उससे पार नहीं पा पाओगे। You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. उसने मेरी उम्मीदों को रौंद दिया। He crushed my hopes. He crushed my hopes. मेरी इस विषय में पैठ नहीं है। I have no insight into the matter. I have no insight into the matter. मैंने उसे बहुत कुछ कहा। I spoke to him quite a lot. I spoke to him quite a lot. वह मेरे विरुद्ध है। He is against me. He is against me. इस मामले में मैं बहुत सख्त हूँ। I am very strict in this matter. I am very strict in this matter. एक दिन का समय दो। Give me a day's time. Give me a day's time. मुझे बहुत सी बातें करनी है। I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. वह अपना उल्लू सीधा कर रहा है। He is serving his own ends. He is serving his own ends. गला फाड़ कर क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why are you shouting at the top of your voice? Why are you shouting at the top of your voice? मुझे तुम्हारी सारी करतूत पता है। I know all your deeds. I know all your deeds. मैं थोड़ा काम में मशगूल था। I was a bit busy. I was a bit busy. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा। I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. तुमने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली। You speak out my mind. You speak out my mind. बताओ कब जाना है। Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. कभी तो टाइम पे आ जाया करो। Do ever come on time. Do ever come on time. नाम तो सुना ही होगा। You must have heard the name. You must have heard the name. यही सब देखना बाकी रह गया था। This was all that remained to see. This was all that remained to see. उन्होंने आपको याद किया है। He has asked for you. He has asked for you. यह सुनी सुनाई बात है। It is hearsay. It is hearsay. यह मेरी शान के खिलाफ है। It is against my pride. It is against my pride. वही करो जो तुम्हें सही लगता है। Do what seems right to you. Do what seems right to you. आपने ही तो मुझे जीना सिखाया है। It is you who taught me to live. It is you who taught me to live. तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं। The doors are always open for you. The doors are always open for you. कुछ भी रातों रात नहीं होता। Nothing happens overnight. Nothing happens overnight. चुप रहने में ही भलाई है। It is good to remain silent. It is good to remain silent. मुझे आप पर हंसी आती है। I am amused at you. I am amused at you. मैंने बहुत देर पहले चाय पी थी. I had my tea long ago. I had my tea long ago. कमरे में कुछ कुर्सियाँ लगा दो. Place some chairs in the room. Place some chairs in the room. उसने जी जान से मेहनत की है. He has worked heart and soul. He has worked heart and soul. उसके खिलाफ कोई सबूत नहीं था. There was no evidence against him. There was no evidence against him. खबरदार अगर कुछ कहा तो. Beware if you say something. Beware if you say something. गलती से भी इसे छूना मत. Don't touch it even by mistake. Don't touch it even by mistake. देखते देखते भीड़ लग गई. A crowd gathered in a few seconds. A crowd gathered in a few seconds. यह काम तुम्हारे लायक नहीं है. This work is not suitable for you. This work is not suitable for you. उगते सूर्य को सब नमस्कार करते हैं. All worship the rising sun. All worship the rising sun. वहाँ मंगलवार को बाजार लगता है. A market is held on Tuesday there. A market is held on Tuesday there. अपना तो सारा हिसाब बिगड़ गया. All my calculations went wrong. All my calculations went wrong. वहाँ की मिट्टी उपजाऊ है. The soil of that place is fertile. The soil of that place is fertile. तुम्हारे पेट में कोई बात नहीं पचती है. You can't keep the secret. You can't keep the secret. किताब पर जिल्द लगा दो. Put a cover on the book. Put a cover on the book. जिंदगी काम करने के लिए है. Life is meant for work. Life is meant for work. उसे उसका बचपन याद आ गया. He remembered his childhood. He remembered his childhood. यह तो अब रोज का काम हो गया है. This has become daily affair now. This has become daily affair now. उसे साफ साफ मना कर दो. Give him a flat refusal. Give him a flat refusal. आप सत्य को झुठला नहीं सकते. You can't falsify the truth. You can't falsify the truth. अपने मन की आवाज़ सुनो. Listen to your inner voice. Listen to your inner voice. उसकी शकल पर मत जाओ. Don't judge him by his face. Don't judge him by his face. जान कर भी अनजान मत बनो. Don't be ignorant even knowing. Don't be ignorant even knowing. Thanks for watching.